Have you ever looked in the mirror, brushed your hair, and felt a little pang of sadness? A little bit of worry as you see more strands in the brush than you'd like? I know that feeling. So many of us do. Our hair is more than just hair, isn't it? It's a part of our story. It's our identity. It's our expression of who we are in the world. It's the crown we never, ever take off. When it starts to thin or fall, it can feel like we're losing a piece of ourselves. It can shake our confidence right to the core. But what if I told you that the secret to reclaiming that beautiful, vibrant crown might be waiting right in your own kitchen? We live in a world moving so fast, quick fixes and chemical solutions everywhere. And while modern medicine has its place, there's profound wisdom in turning back to nature, especially for us women. Our bodies are beautifully complex and in tune with the world around us. It makes sense the gentlest, most powerful remedies come from the earth. Choosing natural solutions is not just about growing hair. It's an act of self-love. Listening to your body, nourishing from the inside out, being kind to yourself. The journey to gorgeous hair is a journey back to you. Take just 10 minutes a day to honor your body. Think of it as a sacred ritual, a moment of peace. This isn't about chasing magazine standards. It's about unlocking the healthiest, most vibrant version of your own hair. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we can talk about growing more hair, we have to understand how it grows in the first place. Every single strand of hair on your head goes through its own three-part cycle. The first phase is called the anagen, the growing phase. Hair pushes out from the follicle, getting longer and stronger. For hair on your head, this phase can last 2 to 7 years. After growing is done, hair moves into the catagen, a short transitional phase of 2 to 3 weeks. The follicle shrinks, and the strand detaches from its blood supply. The final phase is the telogen, resting and shedding for about 3 months. At the end of this period, the hair naturally sheds. You see it in your brush, in the shower drain. We all lose about 50 to 100 hairs every single day. At the same time, a new hair is already beginning to form in that same follicle. So, if shedding is normal, when does it become a problem? Telogen effluvium happens when something disrupts this rhythm. A shock can push many more hairs into shedding at once. Instead of 100 a day, you might lose 300 or more, making thinning noticeable. Understanding this cycle is the first step to taking back control. So what are these shocks that can throw our hair's beautiful rhythm off balance? For women, our bodies are powerful and sensitive, and there are a few key culprits that often lie at the root of unexpected hair loss. First and foremost, let's talk about hormones. Major life events like pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, even conditions like thyroid imbalances or PCOS can have a direct impact on the health of your follicles. Then there is the big one, stress. When you're under intense emotional or physical stress, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. High levels of cortisol can signal to your hair that it's time to move from the growing phase to the resting phase prematurely. It's your body's way of conserving energy for what it sees as a more immediate threat. The result? A few months later, you see the shedding. What you eat also plays a starring role in the story of your hair. Your hair follicles are some of the most rapidly dividing cells in your body, and they need a constant supply of nutrients to do their job. If your diet is lacking in key vitamins and minerals, iron, protein, zinc, your body prioritizes essential organs and your hair is last in line. Finally, our lifestyle choices add up. Poor sleep, lack of exercise, heat styling, tight hairstyles. These all create physical stress on the hair shaft and root. The good news? They are things we can influence. If you want to build a strong, beautiful house, you need the right materials. The same is true for your hair. You can't build strong, beautiful hair without the right nutritional building blocks. And the best place to find them is not in a fancy bottle, but in your own grocery cart. Let's start with the absolute foundation. Protein. Your hair is made almost entirely of a protein called keratin. If you're not getting enough protein, you are starving your hair. Think lean meats, chicken, fish, eggs. For plant-based options, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, quinoa. Next up, iron, especially important for women. Iron makes hemoglobin, which carries oxygen. Hair follicles need oxygen to thrive. Boost iron with spinach, red meat, lentils, and fortified cereals. Pair them with vitamin C like bell peppers or strawberries for better absorption. B vitamins, especially biotin, help make keratin. Find biotin in eggs, almonds, salmon, and avocados. Zinc supports growth and repair. Oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and lentils are great sources. Don't forget healthy fats. Omega-3s from salmon, mackerel, walnuts, flax seeds. They reduce inflammation and add shine. Eating for your hair is about abundance. Joyfully feed your body what it needs to flourish. Aim for a balance of protein, iron, B vitamins, zinc, and omega-3s. Small, consistent changes at the table have big effects on your follicles. Remember, nutrition is the building block. Nourish from the inside out, and your hair will thank you. Sometimes the most profound acts of self-care are the simplest ones. Think about creating a little ritual for yourself, maybe on a Sunday morning, to give your hair some extra love from the outside in. A DIY hair mask using ingredients from your kitchen is the perfect way to do this. It's 10 minutes of pure nourishment. One of my absolute favorites is a mask for moisture and shine. All you need is half an avocado, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. The avocado is packed with healthy fats and vitamin E. The olive oil adds softness. Honey is a natural humectant that draws moisture in. Mash until smooth, stir in the olive oil and honey and apply to damp, clean hair. Focus on mid-lengths to ends. Use a wide tooth comb to distribute evenly. Pile hair on top, pop on a shower cap, and relax for 15 to 20 minutes to let the goodness sink in. Another wonderful mask to strengthen hair is a yogurt and egg mask. Whisk 1 egg until frothy, then mix in 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. Apply to damp hair and gently massage some into your scalp. The protein fortifies the shaft and the lactic acid gently exfoliates the scalp. Leave for about 20 minutes and rinse with cool water so the egg doesn't scramble. Making this a weekly habit is a beautiful way to tell your hair and yourself, I am taking care of you. You are worthy of this time and this nourishment. Start with one simple mask and see how your hair responds. These small rituals create big cumulative benefits over months. We hold so much tension in our bodies. A place we often forget is our scalp. A daily scalp massage is one of the most effective and free things you can do for your hair's health. When you massage your scalp, you increase blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to hair follicles. Use the pads of your fingertips, not your nails. Move in small, slow, circular motions from the hairline to the crown and down to the nape. Just 4 or 5 minutes a day is all it takes. To elevate the experience, you can incorporate essential oils, but do it safely. They are potent and should never be applied directly. Always dilute in a carrier oil. Good carrier oils: coconut, jojoba, almond. A good rule: 2 to 3 drops of essential oil per tablespoon of carrier oil. Warm between palms and massage in. Always do a small patch test first to avoid irritation. Rosemary is well studied for hair growth. Peppermint increases circulation with a cooling tingle, and lavender soothes the scalp. Mix carefully and enjoy the ritual. Have you ever read the ingredient list on the back of your shampoo bottle? It can look like a chemistry experiment. Many commercial shampoos and conditioners are filled with harsh sulfates, silicones, and parabens. Sulfates create that big, satisfying lather, but they can be stripping and lead to dryness and breakage. Silicones coat the hair, making it feel smooth, but can build up and weigh hair down. Over time, buildup prevents moisture from penetrating and harms natural texture. Switching to a gentler approach doesn't have to be complicated. Start with sulfate-free shampoos, or try a pantry alternative, a rye flour wash. Rye contains saponins that gently cleanse without stripping oils. Mix a few tablespoons with warm water to form a thin paste, apply, massage, and rinse thoroughly. For conditioner alternatives, an apple cider vinegar, ACV rinse, clarifies buildup and seals the cuticle. Mix 1 part raw ACV with 4 parts water, pour or spray after shampooing, let sit a minute or 2, and rinse with cool water. Your hair may go through an adjustment period as oils rebalance. Be patient. By trading harsh products for gentler, natural alternatives, you free your hair from a cycle of stripping and coating, and allow its natural beauty to shine through. Use ACV weekly or bi-weekly, and choose sulfate-free cleansers matched to your scalp's needs. True, lasting hair health isn't just about what you put on your hair, it's about how you live your life. Let's start with sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Repair and growth happen during deep sleep. Cell production and turnover are at their peak while you rest. Regular exercise boosts circulation, like a scalp massage, delivering nutrients to follicles and lowering stress. Hydration matters. Hair strands contain about 25% water. Sip consistently. Be gentle. Avoid brushing wet hair. Detangle from the ends up with a wide tooth comb. Let hair air dry more often. Give it a break from heat tools. Avoid tight hairstyles that strain the follicles. Traction causes damage over time. These small, mindful shifts add up to a huge reduction in breakage and stress on your hair. Focus on consistency. The compounding effect of small changes is how real transformation happens. As you begin this wonderful journey, Have realistic expectations and hold a heart full of patience. In a world of instant gratification, natural remedies ask us to slow down and trust the process. Hair grows about half an inch per month. Visible change takes time. Expect small improvements in 4-6 weeks, noticeable changes in 3-6 months, and full transformation over 6-12 months. Myth: trimming makes hair grow faster. Not true. Trims remove split ends and make hair look healthier, but growth happens at the root. Myth: you shouldn't wash hair often. Truth: wash as often as your scalp needs. A clean scalp is ideal for growth. If you experience sudden clumps of hair loss, patchy bald spots, scalp pain, itching, or inflammation, call your doctor or dermatologist. These signs can indicate medical issues needing diagnosis. Natural remedies complement, not replace, medical care. Combine approaches when needed. Pick one thing to start. Try a scalp massage tonight. Add spinach or walnuts to your grocery list. Don't wait for tomorrow. Begin today with one small, consistent step. Nourish your body, calm your mind, be patient, and reclaim the story of your hair. You are worthy of feeling beautiful and confident. Your gorgeous hair is waiting for you. Thank you for joining me on this journey to natural beauty. If you love homemade beauty tips and want more inspiration, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring you even more easy, effective, and natural beauty secrets. See you in the next video.